welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious 3-color Jello, perfect for the parties. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious Jello for parties, these are my ingredients. I have 2 types of Jello: strawberry, lime, unsweetened gelatin, condensed milk, coconut cups of milk, of course, hot water. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious Jello for your party. So let's get started. I want to start first making the strawberry Jello. This is going to be made with regular water, nice and hot. I'm adding the Degari brand, and I'm going to add 2.5 cups of boiling water. This part is very important. You really want to mix it very good. You want to make sure that you mix from 3 to 4 minutes, making sure that all the Jello is nice and dissolved. Once this is done, we're going to put it aside and we're going to continue with the lime Jello. The same brand. You could use any kind of brand you like, but I really like this brand because all the Jello really comes out delicious. It doesn't matter what flavor. To this, I'm adding 2.5 cups of boiling water. I'm going to mix from 3 to 4 minutes until everything is completely dissolved and combined into the hot boiling water. Now that this is done, I am going to continue with the milk. Remember, I have 2 cups of regular milk that I'm going to pour into this plastic container. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. I'm going to mix very well. It's going to bloom. It's going to get nice and thick. A little bit clumpy, that's okay. We're going to let it sit for a couple of minutes. While this is sitting for a couple minutes, the Jellos are going to come to room temperature. And now I want to make the mixture of the condensed milk and the coconut milk. I love using the coconut milk because it really gives the white Jello such a delicious and amazing flavor. So I'm adding 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and you know that the condensed milk is so delicious and so amazing. Perfect for your Jellos. Instead of adding regular sugar, this is going to give it such an amazing flavor. So once you add the 2 milks, we're going to incorporate really good, making sure that the condensed milk is really incorporated into the coconut milk. Once this is done, we're going to put it aside. And I love having everything organized and ready. I was almost forgetting to add my vanilla extract. You could add vanilla extract, vanilla paste, what you have on hand. And here I'm just going to incorporate it really good. The aroma of the vanilla. Oh my God, just amazing. I'm going to show you that I have everything ready. I have the 2 Jellos made with water. I have the 2 cups of milk with the unflavored gelatin, and I'm fixing my mold so I could take it to the refrigerator. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, making sure that everything is nice and covered. When the Jello came to room temperature, I'm going to take it to the refrigerator, leave it there for about half an hour, and then I'm ready to make this amazing milk Jello. I took the mixture to the microwave for a couple seconds. Once the Jello dissolved a little bit, I added to the rest of the milks. And now I am ready to start pouring it back so that it's easy for me to transfer it to the lime Jello when it comes out of the refrigerator. It's not sticking to my fingers. I am ready to pour. Be very gentle, pour it slow so that you don't break the lime Jello on the bottom. Put it back in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes and then do the same thing with the strawberry jello. I'm going to take it to the refrigerator, cover it, take it to the refrigerator, leave it there overnight, and then I'll see you the next morning and see how this jello comes out. I love the colors. I love making it for the parties because everybody gets a bite of a little bit of this delicious jello. I'm going to flip it over and look at this. The colors are perfect. I am ready to show you how it looks from the center. It's nice and firm. And now this is the best part, cubing your jello so that you could enjoy it in a party, enjoy it with your beautiful family. In Smart and Final, they have little cups of 2 ounces, and that's the ones that I use when I go to parties and I take jellos. I love using those little containers, so I put individual ones in those little containers, a little bit of heavy whipping cream on the top, and then I'm ready to enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. Look how beautiful they look, and I'm sure they're going to taste amazing. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing dessert for your parties. Let me tell you, this jello comes out delicious and amazing. And if you put it in mini little plates, well, everybody gets a piece and they really enjoy it. But this is a part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm. 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 So delicious. And the colors are perfect. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing jellos, perfect for your parties. See you soon. Bye-bye.